How to connect custom domain to Lovable AI. Want your Lovable AI app on your own domain? Let's walk through the setup step by step. So you will need a Lovable AI project already deployed plus a domain name purchased from a registrar like Namecheap, GoDaddy, or Google Domain. So go ahead and open up the application you've created using Lovable AI. And then from here, go ahead and click on this publish button, which you'd basically find at the top right. And then from here, you'll find this add custom domain option. Click on this. And then in here, you can go ahead and connect your existing domain by clicking on this connect domain button at the right side of connect existing domain. You can also buy a new domain on Lovable AI. So log into your domain registrar, open the DNS management panel where you can add or edit records, and then in your Lovable AI dashboard, go to project settings, custom domain, copy the DNS records provided, usually an A record pointing to Lovable server and a C name record for verification. Paste the A and C name records into your registrar's DNS settings, save changes, and DNS propagation may take up to 48 hours worldwide. Return to Lovable AI and click verify, and once DNS is detected, Lovable automatically issues and renew your SSL certificate for secure HTTPS access. And that is how to connect custom domain to Lovable AI.